Today was a good day. One trade, perfect logic, perfect execution, no greed. And honestly, today felt like a direct answer to everything that went wrong on 14th May. Let's talk about what happened. Today is Monday, 18th of May 2026 Nifty non-expiry session, and from the very opening, market gave a big gap down, almost 1%. Now, from the last week's experience, I had already prepared myself mentally before the market even opened. Plan was simple, only pullback trades today. No directional bets on the gap down itself. No jumping into the first candle, just wait, observe and enter only on a pullback setup. Now here's something I want to be upfront about. The very first candle today. If I had entered a CE sell trade in it, it would have given me a good profit. मैंने वो trade नहीं ली and I am not going to regret that. Because going forward, I have made a rule for myself, no trades in the first 5 minutes candle, no exceptions. Today that rule cost me a trade, but the same rule will save me from many bad trades in the future. Rules are not built for one day, they are built for consistency. तो वो trade miss हुआ and that is completely fine. Also, before I get into the trade, I want to share something. After my 14th May video, a fellow trader from this community messaged me. He said, Ramaji, don't rush. Never jump on the first candle. You have 6 hours to trade. It is not a rush game. When not sure, go with low quantity. Saving capital should always come first. Those words stayed with me and today I actually followed them. मैंने पहले कैंडल में एंट्री नहीं दी, exactly like he said. And when the setup came, I was sure about it, so I increased my quantity. Both decisions directly inspired by his message. So, Bhavesh sir, if you are watching this, thank you very much. ये community इसीलिए exist करती है so that we all can learn from each other. Your words made a real difference. Now let's talk about my trade. After the opening, market was clearly showing bearishness, but I wasn't looking for a bearish trade. I was looking for a pullback. My logic, after a big gap down opening, market almost always gives some amount of gap filling, and that gap filling move, that pullback upwards was exactly what I wanted to trade. So I planned a PE sell trade. I entered in 23,350 CE. Target was 20 EMA. In a pullback scenario, price tends to move towards it like a magnet. I didn't care if the market went even higher after hitting 20 EMA. Target was fixed, no greed, exit at 20 EMA. This is something I have been working on, defining my exit before entry and sticking to it no matter what happens after. Now, one more thing I want to mention. I deliberately took 6 slots in this trade. That is more than my usual size. But the reason was simple. I was confident in this setup. The logic was clear, the entry was planned, and the risk was defined. When everything lines up, it is okay to size up. But, and this is important, sizing up only works when the process is clear. 14th May को भी मैंने 6 slot लिया होता तो वो तो disaster होता. Today the process was clean, so the size was justified. I also want to be honest about one risk this trade carried. If the market had stayed sideways after my entry and the 20 EMA came down towards price, instead of price going up towards 20 EMA, I would have booked less profit or possibly a loss. That was a real risk. But given the gap down context and gap filling expectation, that risk was acceptable. Every trade has a risk. The job is to assess it honestly before entering, not ignoring it. Later after entry, market gave the move. Gap filling happened exactly as expected. Price moved up towards the 20 EMA, hit my target and I exited. 30 points clean. No holding for more, no second guessing, just the plan executed. Total profit I booked in this trade was around 11,200. One trade for the day. After hitting my target, I closed my terminal. Market continued its way upwards and there was no clean setup that met my criteria. So I stopped. Overall profit for the day was 11,200. तो आज का दिन अच्छा रहा. But more than the profit, what I am happy about today is the process. पहला lesson, patience before the first candle paid off. Yes, missing the first trade was a loss of opportunity, but the discipline for not trading in the first 5 minutes candle, that rule will protect me far more than it will cost me. One missed trade is a small price for a long-term discipline. दूसरा lesson, define your exit before your entry. 20 EMA was my target before I entered the trade, and when price hit 20 EMA, I exited. No thinking, no hoping for more, just the plan. This is something I struggled with earlier and today it worked exactly the way it should. तीसरा lesson, sizing up is okay when the process is clean. 6 slots today, deliberate, confident. Not emotional, not out of greed or FOMO. Just a calculated decision based on setup quality. That is the difference between smart position sizing and reckless trading. आज का दिन एक रिमाइंडर था, जब सब कुछ सही होता है, सेटअप, एंट्री, एग्जिट, माइंडसेट, ट्रेडिंग फील्स एफर्टलेस. That is what we are building towards, one trade at a time. Do you have a rule about not trading the first candle, or do you prefer jumping in early to catch the opening move? Would love to hear your approach in the comments. Because at the end of the day, this channel is all about learning and improving together. अगर इस वीडियो से कुछ वैल्यू मिली, फील फ्री टू लाइक द वीडियो. और अगर आपको ये रियल ट्रेड ब्रेकडाउन पसंद आते हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. लेट्स improve our trading one step at a time. Thank you and have a great day.